Welcome back to Homespot. Have you ever looked at a fallen branch or a simple river rock and seen a masterpiece waiting to happen? Today, we are diving into the magical world of rustic outdoor art. Get ready to transform everyday natural materials into breathtaking, creative decor that will completely elevate your garden design. Transform your beachcombing treasures into musical garden art by stringing together smooth driftwood and pieces of frosted sea glass. You can create a stunning visual piece that fills your outdoor space with a gentle, soothing melody every time the wind blows. Upgrade your garden walkways by arranging flat river pebbles into intricate floral or spiral patterns. Set these varied shades of stone into mortar to create stunning, durable stepping stones that turn a simple dirt path into a breathtaking piece of functional art. Give a fallen log a beautiful second life by transforming it into a lush planter. Carve out the decaying center, add well-draining soil, and pack it tightly with a colorful variety of drought-tolerant succulents to create a stunning, low-maintenance living centerpiece. Spark joy and imagination by constructing whimsical miniature dwellings right at the base of your largest trees. Using only foraged materials like shed bark, soft moss, and dry pine needles, you can build enchanting little fairy houses that blend perfectly into the forest floor. Craft a beautiful, everlasting floral arrangement using simple pine cones. By cutting thick pine cones in half, they perfectly mimic the shape of wooden zinnias. Arrange them tightly into a circular wreath for a welcoming, rustic decoration perfect for your front garden gate. Bring a deep sense of tranquility to your yard by carefully balancing smooth river rocks. These stacked stone Zen cairns act as peaceful, sculptural focal points, especially when placed near a trickling water feature or tucked quietly amongst your vibrant perennials. Introduce the incredibly relaxing sound of flowing water to your backyard oasis. Engineering thick bamboo stalks into a simple cascading spout is surprisingly easy. This natural fountain design adds both a visual rustic charm and a soothing, rhythmic soundscape to the environment. Welcome local wildlife into your garden with natural bottleneck gourd birdhouses. Once hollowed out and thoroughly dried, these organic shapes can be hung from sturdy tree branches. They provide safe, eco-friendly nesting spots while adding a whimsical, rustic charm to the trees. Suspend deeply colored, translucent agate slices from a sturdy, weathered oak branch using natural jute cord. This elegant, earthy mobile will beautifully catch both the wind and the sunlight, projecting shifting colors and gentle sounds throughout your peaceful outdoor sanctuary. Capture the fleeting beauty of summer foliage with handmade clay tiles. Press fern or maple leaves into circular pieces of wet clay. Let them dry and arrange them along your garden borders. These subtle, earthy art pieces add a wonderful personal touch resting naturally upon a mulch. Bring a touch of woodland magic to your yard with these fantastical mushroom sculptures. Carve entirely from thick tree branches, these whimsical wooden creations look absolutely enchanting when popping up from a shady patch of soft green moss and trailing ivy in your summer garden. Create a magical evening atmosphere in your garden with floating acorn candles. Fill tiny acorn shell halves with wax and a wick, then let them gently float in a rustic stone bird bath. Surrounded by lush summer hostas and ferns, they provide enchanting natural illumination for your outdoor space. Build a sturdy and highly functional climbing frame using natural, unpeeled hazel poles lashed tightly together with hemp rope. This highly organic trellis structure provides the perfect rustic support for beautifully blooming sweet pea plants to thrive upon during the warm midsummer months in your garden. Define your beautiful summer garden paths using the ancient wattle technique. By weaving flexible willow branches horizontally between sturdy upright stakes, you can create a low, charming border fence. This beautiful rustic addition perfectly separates your blooming flowers from your thriving vegetable beds with organic style. Add a playful pop of color to your walkways with painted stone insects. By meticulously painting smooth, rounded river stones to resemble bright red ladybugs, you can scatter these charming little creations along your garden paths and nestle them happily among fragrant summertime plants. Add a touch of delicate whimsy to your outdoor space by stringing garlands made of natural bird feathers and small twigs. Hanging these beautiful, lightweight rustic decorations between wooden posts allows them to flutter gently over your blooming lavender, creating a peaceful and dynamic garden display. Upcycle an old ceramic bowl into a stunning rustic bird bath. By covering the entire rim with a colorful mosaic of sea glass and small, smooth pebbles, you create a beautiful focal point. Place it securely on a sturdy tree stump to attract thirsty birds to your summer garden. Preserve the beauty and fragrance of your summer garden by drying your harvest. Tie bundles of lavender, wildflowers, and aromatic herbs with natural twine and hang them upside down from the rafters of a rustic wooden shed to create a delightfully fragrant and visually stunning display. And there you have it, beautiful ways to bring rustic charm to your yard, using exactly what nature provides. From woven willow spheres to driftwood chimes, creating outdoor art is all about seeing the potential in organic materials. If you enjoy